Oh shit, it's slippery. Teammates. That's team. I'm good.
Yellow or blue?
Yellow.
Connor.
I just cleared out the hole a little bit. Yellow. Cover me. Hit. Wait. Oh, no, my bad. I thought I saw yellow. I'm hit. Hit. Dead man. Going outside. Watch my crossfire. Got him. Dead man. Woo. That fucking wind. You're good.
Shit, are you blue or yellow?
Yellow.
Okay.
Are you?
I'm blue, yeah. That was
Right.
Go ahead.
Bang bang.
Yeah, I got you. Go ahead.
Jesus, that went right past my face. I see him.
There's a bunch of guys over there. Are they peeking?
Yeah, they both hit. Right in front of you.
I know. That's what I'm talking about.
Who's that kid all black with his hand around him?
I can see nothing. Sorry, little guy. I did not know that was a little kid. I can't see shit. I'm not moving anywhere. I'll shoot you right through that thing. Who is doing that? They're right out there. I can't even see. Careful, straight in front of us.
You gotta move up, he's on the flag. He's flipping it, Andrew, you gotta shoot it.
Good job, little man.
There, you come and dominate.
Yep.
Ready?
It'll be strong. Nice one.
Coming out.
Yeah, this is a profit.
Behind that door in there.
Good shot.
Shoot. There's two. One just pushed up to where you were shooting. Up to your left, to your left, to your left.
Jeremy, safety brief earlier today. Auto outside for 9 inside. I haven't broke it yet. That's my fault. That's my fault.
Come on, double feed him. What the hell? There's one up over there. On the far right.
Yep.
I hear him in the woods.
Minutes remain. 1-3. 13 minutes.
Gayer.
Alright. I heard it hit, but I didn't know if it hit me first.
Oh, he got hit right there for sure.
Oh, you got me in the hip.
Oh, shit.
Good shot.
Neither can I, dude. I think the inside of my goggles have rain in them.
Let's go, Blue. You gotta go. We gotta go all the way down the field.
Do we?
Yeah, all the way to the red car in the back door.
Not yet. There's 3 of them over there. I must have like water in my barrel or something. It keeps double feeding.
No, from this side. Get low and go to the center. The center like you.
Push up! Blue, push up!
There you go.
We ain't got time for that!
We got shooters at the bus. I don't know if you hit me, but I'll call that. I saw you flash. I don't know if you hit me.
Yeah, that was Craig.
Yeah, my fucking goggles are
I
fucked.
can't see shit. I got like 3 different lines for you. I got something down there.
Dude, they're right there. Look.
Oh. Damn it.
He's still in the jail. Bathroom. Bathroom.
Oh, Rebecca! Who's Rebecca? You threw it into the bathroom. That's pretty good. There we go.
One bathroom. Kitchen. Yellow or blue. I just said the wrong fucking color. Oh, hit. Blue. I switched teams last game, it confused me. Jesus. I don't know what the fuck that was. Yeah, you can fuck off with that color.
Listen, we can talk about this one.
You're blue, aren't you? That was friendly fire.
Alright, I'm dead. You stay.
Josh, I gotta grab a broom. Mike is on. There you go.
Oh, hit. I should not open that blind. And we got a couple over here. We can full auto, right? You want it? Yeah. Let me put a full auto mag in. Let's go. Boys, let's go. Push, push, push. I know I hit you. You better relax, buddy. You hear that, dude? I know you work here.
Huh? I'm talking to you.
Me? For what? For what? All I said was to stop shooting me.
You right here. When you guys get shot, when they're pushing like that, you have to move to the wall. You're walking right down the shooting lane. And under no circumstances.
Right when I turned around is when he shot me.
I'm talking.
Alright.
You do not turn around and start mag dumping people just because you're in the walking lane. Alright?
I didn't
You
do it
have all
'cause he
these
shot
people
me.
behind you that are also
I did it
being
because he's
shot
running his mouth.
Turn and just mag
I
dump
got
people.
you. I shot
That's totally against
anyway.
the rules, and that'll get you banned here, even if they are in the wrong.
I got you.
Alright? I'm just trying to keep you guys on the right side of the
I
law.
only even did anything because he was running his mouth.
I know, I understand.
And I didn't even do anything. I called my hit and got up and turned. And he shot me 10 more times.
around, my hand was up, and I was starting
And these guys were the ones.
started shooting.
In your defense, you were walking straight towards your teammates back here that
Yeah.
they're also
I
trying
didn't even
to
know you
shoot
were
at.
talking to him.
You either need to get low or off to the side. You were walking literally down the shooting lane.
But
So
either
that I
way, that was
understand.
our teammates complaining that he was saying they're overshooting the shit out of
Yeah.
him.
Well, I mean, they're running down the wall shooting a lane.
Yeah, I know.
And if they're standing there or you're walking
I also
through
shot
it,
him when he turned the corner and he just
Yeah.
kept shooting, but it
yeah,
is what it
I'm going
is.
to talk to them about
I'm
the
not-
overshooting. I'm just
I'm
getting
not
you for the
angry
mag
about it.
dumping. Monkey see, monkey do. As soon as you got done, he turned around and did that too. All right?
Well, I was on full auto to begin with. That's how I know I hit him,
Well, I
because
know,
this
but
thing
what I'm
slings
saying is
BBs.
after you had your hand raised, you
all three
turned
of
up
us
and
know
mag
we've been
dumped.
hitting
That's
you.
against the rules.
Yeah.
All right? I'm trying to keep you guys in clear. All right?
I understand it completely. It won't happen again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm right here. Let me take care of that stuff.
You're good.
Don't get in trouble over that.
My shit
All right?
just got all rained in, standing here.
They didn't call a single hit.
I know they didn't call a single hit.
Like so many people know.
Yeah, he just lit all of us up, and I shot him when he turned the corner. Did any of you see that? I was full autoing when he turned the corner.
There. He stopped moving, and then
I know you work here, and you were standing right here watching.
everybody else was.
Well, I know it's a full auto game.
Right.
But they were running down a lane shooting, and these guys got hit, and they turn around with their hands in the air, but they're walking right down the shooting lane, so they keep getting shot. So
I
when
didn't
they
even
turned,
complain about getting
They
shot.
turned and mag dumped back.
I
towards
complained
you.
that he's sitting there running his mouth, calling us dumbass retards and
They were
shit.
walking away.
And I'll fuck him
I
up.
I'm out of trouble for mag dumping.
I know that guy in the gray sweatshirt's full of fucking shit.
Yeah, see.
Because I have 5 guys that were here behind me, watch both me and Clay.
I come here all the time. You guys know I'm an honest player. I call it when I get hit. I called it as soon as he hit me, but he chose not to
I saw
call
it
it.
all.
I just
They're
didn't
my
want
net.
I just didn't want them to get in trouble for me full auto.
That's why I stopped them, because they were mag dumping as they were walking away. I'm trying to keep them out of
Yeah.
trouble because they did something wrong.
Well, to top it off, is that crack? I can fit my head through the top left, top right, or the 2 top ones of that water.
Spit it out, George.
Yeah, I shot him from there.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you can go look at his right arm, and I guarantee you he has 4 or 5 whelps on his arm.
Well, he got shot coming out the door, so.
Yeah.
You got shot from there to here too, multiple times.
There are
But they
problems.
still shot us.
I'm trying to keep them out of trouble.
No, I totally understand.